Next time he won't show you any mercy at all. What?
Open the Jeep.
If they set that android free, it will be the end of all of us!
You can't fuck with that rain with shit. I fuck a bitch and smoke a blunt. That's how it is, that's how it's been. I get so ill, I smoke, I chill, I keep it real. I used to steal, used to pop pills that got pop kill. So now I flow, feel like Al Snow. I need some head, you keep the rest. Beats I molest, that burning chest. This is how you know I got that kill, that perfect cell. It burns like hell, that burn is bill. Feeling like quillin' cause I'm millin' and I'm fucking with the android bitch. Having kids with her never been the villain but I kill him with no feeling. Drinking